Hemingway was a heavy drinker who could not go to Stockholm to accept his Nobel Prize. Hemingway. The term code hero is associated with Hemingway. An American newspaper published mistakenly the obituary of an American novelist, claiming he was no more. The author was Hemingway, whose wife disliked Hemingway from the very beginning. फित्जरयाल्ड की वाइफ जेल्डा हेमिंगवे को डिसलाइक करती है स्टार्टिंग से ही. हेमिंगवे वंस डिसग्रेस्ड अ वुडेड Italian soldier to safety in spite of his own injuries. For this brave deed, the Italian government awarded him Silver Medal of Military Valor. What was the original title of a Hemingway novel? The Sun Also Rises novel का ओरिजिनल टाइटल फिस्टा है. Who was the original title of a Hemingway last novel? The Old Man and the Sea. The Sea is a being. In which novel Hemingway celebrated bullfighting death in the afternoon है. Who is the protagonist of a Hemingway The Sun Also Rises? Jake Barnes है. Once generation passed away and another generation cometh, but the earth abideth forever. यह लाइन अर्नेस्ट मिलर हेमिंगवे की नॉवल मतलब कि एपिलॉग ऑफ फिस्टा से ली गई है. इन हेमिंगवे वर्ड विच ऑफ द वर्क इज अ डैम ट्रेजेडी ऑफ द स्लाइस ऑफ ए लाइफ काइंड. द सन आल्सो राइजेस नॉवेल है. जेक बार्नस, लेडी ब्रिट, रोमियो, रॉबर्ट कॉन आर मेन कैरेक्टर इज द सन आल्सो राइजेस नॉवल में. विच ऑफ द हेमिंगवे नॉवल डिपिक्ट द वर्ल्ड रेप्ड बाय ए डिवास्टेटिंग वॉर. सन 1914, सन 1918. दाऊ द कैरेक्टर स्किपर ओनेल एंड योगी जॉनसन. द टोरेंट ऑफ ए स्प्रिंग. विच नॉवल ऑफ ए हेमिंगवे इज बेस्ड ऑन द theme of man's struggle against nature? The Old Man and the Sea. Santiago has not caught a single fish for 84 दिन. Santiago succeeded in killing the fish on 87 दिन में. On the 85 दिन day, Santiago rowed to the direction of a fish known as a great wall. How long the fish Martin was 18 feet. In order to forget his cut hand and aching back, Santiago recalled the day when men called him by the title El Companion. The Old Man and the Sea featured Nobel Prize for a Hemingway. The protagonist is a Kutan fisherman. Santiago is a hero of a Hemingway novel, The Old Man and the Sea. Ernest Hemingway was awarded the Nobel Prize for the novel Old Man and the Sea. Frederick Henry, Catherine Barke, Renaldi, Count Giffey and the Priest are the character in the Hemingway Farewell to Arm में. Frederick Henry, the hero of the Hemingway novel A Farewell to Arm, is a driver in an Italian army. Which novel has been called by Hemingway himself as his Romeo and Juliet? A Farewell to Arm. What played the most important part in shaping Ernest Hemingway literary creation like Arm and the Man's experience of the war? The manuscript of his novel was stolen. Hemingway rewrote it after many years. It is the story of an American driver in the Italian army sent on an Italian Augustan font. A Farewell to Arm. Which work of Hemingway was called the called the Biller, the Biller of a lost generation. The sun also rises. Catherine Barke is a character from a Ernest Hemingway famous novel. Which one is it? Farewell to Arm. Hemingway Farewell to Arm is set in Italy. Ernest Hemingway visited Spain during the Civil War and utilized his experience in the book For Whom the Bell Tolls. The character Robert Jordan figure in For Whom the Bell Tolls. It is the story of a small action of a blowing up a bridge at the precise time when a fanciest reinforcement must be stopped. For Whom the Bell Tolls. Pablo Pilar, Maria, Anselmo Carco, El Shardo, Agustin are the character For Whom the Bell Tolls novel का which novel of a Hemingway is based on the Donsian principle that no man is an island. For Whom the Bell Tolls novel का है Ernest Hemingway Man at the War is a मतलब कि a collection of short stories. Hemingway in Wartime in a collection story. Italian Camp is Hemingway famous short story. Nick Adam is a famous character in a short story. Which work was left incomplete because of a Hemingway sudden death? The Garden of Eden. Which of the following novel of Hemingway deals with his actual disappointing experience of a war? A Farewell to Arm. Which of the following is not a Hemingway work? Moby Dick है. Which of the following sentence is correct? Ernest Hemingway committed suicide. This is the story of an American Philip Rowling, who is a press reporter in Spain. He is in love with an American girl named Dorothy Bridgecrest. It is set against the background of the Spanish Civil War. The fifth column. This is the story of a Linguer smuggler Harry Morgan who shipped contraband from Cuba to Florida. To Have and Have Not novel का है. To Have and Have Not novel की स्टोरी है. The story is set in the town of Venice and center around colonial Countwell, and achieving war veteran suffering from a heart disease. Across the river and into the tree. I am always impressed by the word secret glory and sacrifice and the experience in a vain. यह लाइन अर्नेस्ट मिलर हेमिंग्वे के फेयरवेल टू आर्म से ली गई है. द वर्ड ब्रेक एवरीवन एंड आफ्टरवर्ड मैनी are strong at the broken place, but those that will not break it kills. It kills the very good and the very gentle and the very brave. Very brave importantly. If you are none of these, you can be sure it will kill you too, but there will be no special ह्यूरी. यह लाइन अर्नेस्ट मिलर हेमिंग्वे के फेयरवेल टू आर्म से ली गई है. डिकेडेंस इज ए डिफिकल्ट वर्ड to use since it has become a little more than a term of abuse applied by critics to anything they do not yet understand or which seems to differ from their moral concept. यह लाइन अर्नेस्ट मिलर हेमिंग्वे के डेथ इन द आफ्टरनून से ली गई है. देयर इज नो lonelier man in that except the society that one who has lived many years with a good wife and then outlived her. If two peoples love each other, there can be no happy end to it. यह लाइन अर्नेस्ट मिलर हेमिंग्वे के डेथ इन द आफ्टरनून से ली गई है. इफ वी वाइन हेयर वी विल विन everywhere. The world is a fine place and worthy the fighter for, and I had very much to live it. यह लाइन अर्नेस्ट मिलर हेमिंग्वे के फॉर होम द बेल टूल्स नॉवेल से ली गई है. टुडे इज ओनली वन डे इन ऑल द डे दैट विल एवरी बी, बट वॉट will happen in all the other day that every come can depend on what you to टूडे. यह लाइन अर्नेस्ट मिलर हेमिंग्वे के फॉर होम द बेल टूल्स नॉवेल से ली गई है. एवरी डे इज ए न्यू डे. इट इज ए बेटर टू बी ए लकी, बट आई वुड रेदर बी एक्सेप्ट देन व्हेन लक कम यू आर ए रेडी. यह लाइन अर्नेस्ट मिलर हेमिंग्वे के ओल्ड मैन एंड द सी से ली गई. बट मैन इज ए नॉट मेड फॉर ए डिफीट. आई मैन कैन बी ए डिस्ट्रॉयड बट नॉट डिफीटेड. यह लाइन अर्नेस्ट मिलर हेमिंग्वे के ओल्ड मैन एंड द सी से ली गई है. आई लव यू एंड रेस्पेक्ट यू वेरी मच, बट आई विल किल यू डेड बिफोर दिस डे एंड. यह सैंटियागो ने बोला था फिश के लिए. One battle does not make a companion, but critics treat one book good or bad like a whole Godman war. यह लाइन अर्नेस्ट मिलर हेमिंग्वे ने बोला है. बुल्स डू नॉट रन रिव्यू, बुल्स ऑफ 25 do not marry old women of 55 and accept to be invited to a dinner. Bull do not get you a cities and respondent in a society divorce trials. Bull not borrow money but are edibles after they have been killed. यह लाइन अर्नेस्ट मिलर हेमिंग्वे ने लेटर में दिया था कि वाई बुल आर ए बेटर देन लिटरेरी क्रिटिक. तो यह अर्नेस्ट मिलर हेमिंग्वे ने एजरा पाउंड के लिए लिखा है लेटर में. व्हेन द नोवेला ओपन्स, हाउ लॉन्ग हैज़ इट बीन सिंस सैंटियागो लास्ट कॉट अ फिश. 84 दिन में. Manolin parents refused to let the boy fish with the old man because they believe Santiago is a Celilio. How does Hemingway translate this word? The worst form of unlucky. How does Hemingway describe Santiago eyes? They are the color of the sea. What kind of a reception does Santiago receive at the Tyrese cave? Most of the fishermen mock him. Who is Santiago hero? Joe de Malrigo है. What hang on the wall of the old man shack picture on the night before he promised Manolin to go far out to sea. Of what does Santiago dream? Lion on the bridge. What does Santiago not let his line drift like the other fishermen? He believe it is a imprices and the starve always to be exit. What kind of a fish does Santiago first catch? A time. How does the old man know immediately the size of the great marlin he has caught? He pulls on the line and nothing happens. During is a great struggle with the marlin, what does Santiago wish repeatedly. He wishes that the boy Manolin were with him. In what year was The Old Man and the Sea published? सन 1952 में. At his first full day of fighting with the fish, where on what does Santiago begin to think about his adversary? He considered that he and the Marlin are a brother, joined by the fact that they both ventured far out behind all people and danger in the water. What does the very wobbler that land on a Santiago fishing line make the old man think of? The predatory hark that await the bird arrivals near land. What happened to make Santiago curse the treachery of his own body? His hand cramp. In order to help himself catch the fish, what does Santiago do? He decides to recite 10 Hail Mary and 10 Our Father. The great Joe Di Maria suffer from what affection, a bone spur. To give himself a confidence, Santiago remembers his contest with the great Negro of Sinfrigo. At what sport did the old man beat this challenger? Arm wrestling. What does the thought of sealing the fish meat disappoint the old man? The people who will eat the meat are worthy. What does the old man remove and eat from the belly of a dolphin? Flying fish. How does Santiago finally kill the marlin? He harpoons it through the heart. How long does it take for the shark to arrive and attack to marlin? 1 hour. After the shark attack, Santiago reflects that detection is inevitable. How does he articulate this philosophy? Everything in the world kills everything else in some way. What happened upon the old man returned to his fishing village? Manolin promised to sail with him. The old man remembered that once when he killed a female marlin, the male marlin swam alongside the boat as though in mourning. Ernest Hemingway began his writing career as a reporter for which city newspaper? Kansas City. Ernest Hemingway served as an ambulance driver during which American military conflict World War I. In 1921, Hemingway became part of a group of a notable expert writer living in Paris. In 1936, Hemingway wrote a piece about a Cuban fisherman degraded to sea by a Ghent marlin for a magazine Esquire. Which literary award did The Old Man and the Sea win in 1953? The Pulitzer Prize. How many days has it been since Santiago caught a fish? 84 दिन में. Who forced Manolin to leave Santiago to fish by himself? His parents. Who is Santiago hero? जो डी मैगिरो है. What kind of a fish does Santiago finally catch? A marlin है. What kind of a shark in the first to attack Santiago boat after his big catch? Mako. How many days does Santiago struggle with the marlin before he is able to kill it? 3. How many feet long in the marlin? 18. The first time that Santiago took Manolin out to fish, how old was he? 5. What मतलब injury did Jody मतलब Magiro suffer early in his career that might have crippled other player? Bonnie Spur. What kind of a business does Perico own? Bodega. What does Santiago do that no other fisherman in the village has done before? Shell father out. What does Santiago castic himself for later in the book? Letting shark eat the marlin. What attribute of Santiago help him? A dude's pride. Manolin मतलब provides Santiago with all the following except shelter. Who does Manolin resent his father? What item of a Santiago is described as resembling the flag of a permanent defeat? Shell of his skiff. What मतलब कि internal law are both Santiago and the marlin subject to? Kill or be killed. Santiago admiration of the marlin bring love and respect into a equation with death. Hemingway purposefully liken Santiago to what biblical character? Christ. How many times does Santiago dream about a lion at a play on the beaches of Africa? 3. Manolin parents refer to Santiago as a Salerigo, which mean worst from unlucky. How are Santiago I described? Cheerful and undefeated. What do a Santiago and Marlin get at the terraces cave before Santiago shut out a beer? What does Santiago offer to make Manolin for dinner? Yellow rice with fish. In the evening, Santiago produced a that he say was given to him by Perico at the bodega, a newspaper. What do Santiago and Manolin drink their coffee out of cans as he row away from shore and into the Gulf Stream? Which animals does Santiago think of as his friend? Flying fish. What does Santiago compare the sea to? Referring it as a bring wild and out of control a woman of all the things Santiago see as he row further into the Gulf. Which does he think of an distrustful Portuguese man of war? After the first day of the marlin decaying, Santiago further what attacks to the line that help slow the fish? A weed. What kind of a bird land on the stern of the skiff at the beginning of day 3? A wobbler. What does Santiago do to help keep his strength after the marlin surges and the line cut his hand? Eat the tuna. In his player to catch the marlin, where does Santiago promise to visit? Virgin of Cobra. What take the second breath that Santiago put out just before nightfall? A dolphin. How long does Santiago rest during the night of the third day? 2 hours. Sorry. After Santiago wake on the fourth day to the marlin tugging the line, what does he do for a strength? Eats a flying fish. What does Santiago and resembles after a finally catching the marlin? Raw meat है. Who does Santiago think would be proud of him for catching the marlin? Jody Magro है. How much of the marlin is the first shark able to bite off when it attacked Santiago boat 40 pounds? What is the last weapon that Santiago tries to use against the shark? The boat tiller है. When does Manolin come to Santiago shark? Morning of day 5. What does Manolin fetch Santiago after he see Santiago revived hand coffee है. According to Manolin, who was searching for a Santiago while he was gone hunting the marlin, the coast guard है. What does Santiago do after he and Manolin make future plans for a fishing मतलब कि expedition? Sleeps. The tourist in the terror's cave mistake the marlin skeleton for a shark है.